Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a simple intro video, and I'm gonna show you guys the three main apps that I always use to create my intros or my outros for my videos. In the meantime, since we are waiting for me to post more hauls video and more workout videos, we're gonna go ahead and focus on some editing. So we're gonna go to Canva. As you guys can see, I already went to Canva and I am in Canva right now. Excuse me. You're gonna go to Canva and you're gonna type intro in the search bar. You're gonna type intro video, and then you're gonna choose the one that you like. Since we are making a quick beauty intro, we're gonna choose something similar and edit it to our own liking. Right now, as you guys can see, I already choose one, and I already changed the background in the back while I was doing while I was talking to you guys way earlier. You guys didn't see it, but if you want to pause the video and go back so you can see how I did that, you guys can go ahead and do that. So now we're gonna change the letter. Let me see. I'm gonna change the font letter to the main reason or the main title of whatever you're doing the intro for. So we're gonna use beauty. We're gonna just type beauty since this is a quick beauty intro, and then we're gonna play around with it and change the color for the font, and then also I'm not gonna change the style because I already like that style, so we're gonna keep that style, that font style, and then we're just gonna change the color until we like the way it fits with the background picture. All right, so now what I'm doing, since each area that you're gonna be adding the picture is about 5 seconds, it already comes with 5 seconds with Canva setup, but we're gonna shrink it to 1 second. This is mainly a picture intro, and if you guys want me to do a video intro where you only use videos, then we're gonna do that as well, but today we're gonna focus on just a quick picture intro. And I'm already in the second slide. Actually, this is the third slide, so which will be a third picture for our intro. And I went back because I didn't like the front, which is the first slide. I didn't like the picture, so I changed it to just a solid color while I adjust the font style and color. Everything is very self-explanatory, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to do it. How you can do so much with Canva. You can create logo, you can create intro, outro, you can edit flyers, business card. I don't know if I should focus on create a separate YouTube video so I can focus on showing you guys how I edit, because I'm really great at editing and not creating flyers and business card logo. I have some skills under my arms, you guys. But yeah, so now we're gonna focus on the last slide. We're gonna put subscribe. As you guys can see, I already went and searched for it. I went to the search bar and I typed subscribe so I can look for it, animation subscribe word, and I'm gonna add that up and fix it up to my liking in the last slide. I'm just playing it so I can see how it looks. So this is the third slide, I believe. So we're gonna go ahead and go excuse me, my voice is terrible right now. I'm getting over a cold. Yeah, so we're gonna go to transparent so we can kind of like the bright, so we can put down the the brightness and change the color for the transparent over the picture. That's what I did with the third slide. I believe I have the face picture. Now I'm just trying to play around with the first slide. As you guys can see, I had removed the picture that I had on there. Remove the picture. It's pretty easy. You just, the main thing you're gonna need to do is choose choose the style, the slide, and then change the background and edit it to the seconds that you want the picture to be played for. And then, you know, you just play around with it until you like how it fits and how it all coordinate together. Excuse me. Now we finish with Canva. We're gonna download the video, and then our second app that we're gonna use, because we're only using 3 apps for this editing, which is Canva and CapCut and TikTok for the video, for the music we're gonna add. So this is CapCut, and then we're gonna go ahead and create a new project, which is the video I'm gonna click on right now. Once we get into the app, we're gonna what we using this app for is to actually add music, and some of the music I already had on there are from my TikTok, which is, I think you can go ahead and log into your TikTok, and then whatever song that you save from TikTok and your favorite, you can go ahead and use them in that app. But what I'm gonna do for this intro, I'm gonna use the TikTok video that already comes with the app. I'm just going through it to see which one I like for this intro, and we're gonna go with the last one here. We're gonna play it to see how we like it. Okay, that last slide, the black area. Let's see, let it go back, let it play. So now we're gonna save the video. We already add our music. We're gonna save it, and then we're gonna play it to see how we like it in our phone. And the last thing we're gonna do is cut the black area, the black background area that says the name of the app. We don't need that part for the video, so we're gonna cut that off. I'm playing it to see if I like it, how it comes out, and boom, we're all done.